Hi, welcome to another YakChat tutorial. This video is going to show you how to install the YakChat bot into your Microsoft Teams channel so that all the members of your channel can receive new message notifications. So to start with, navigate to the homepage of our website, yakchat.com. Now, click on the Resources tab at the top of the page and select Help Center option. You'll now see two options, the YakChat app and the YakChat bot for Microsoft Teams. For this video, we're only installing the bot, but if you need help installing the app, we'll cover this in another walkthrough tutorial on our website. But for now, go ahead and click the YakChat bot installation tab here. This page provides instructions on how to download the bot, and you'll see it has two download buttons, one for the app and one for the bot. Go ahead and click Download Bot. This will download the bot into your Downloads folder. It's really important that this folder remains a zip folder. It mustn't be extracted in any way or at any point in the installation process. Now you've downloaded the zip folder, it's time to install it into Microsoft Teams. So open Teams and then go to the Apps tab at the bottom left of the screen. You should now be able to see the option to upload a custom app. If you can't see this option, simply contact your Teams administrator and complete step 4 of the instructions page on our website. When you see the option to upload a custom app, click on it. You'll then be asked to choose a file that you want to install into Teams. Select the YakBot folder you've just downloaded and a pop-up window will appear. This is also where you can choose to add the bot into your Microsoft Teams channel. Click on the arrow by the Add button and you'll get the option to add the bot into a Teams channel. Once you've picked the channel you want to add the bot to, simply click the Set up a bot button. You'll now need to assign the bot to the correct number. To do this, go to the channel you've just added the bot to. The activation phrase @YakBot will automatically appear in your text box, but if it doesn't, just type YakBot and press return. You may be asked to sign in, so simply click on the Sign In button on the adaptive card. You'll then see a pop-up asking for your login details. Once you've entered these, another pop-up will appear asking you to accept the permissions that are necessary for the YakBot to work. If you don't have admin consent, you'll get another pop-up asking you to either sign in as an admin or to request consent from your administrator. Now select the correct group. You'll be offered a selection of group emails that you belong to. But for this tutorial, I'm only a member of one group, so I'll go ahead and select that one. All that's left to do now is to check that you're receiving notifications correctly. If you experience any problems, please contact us at info@yakchat.com or on the chat function of our website, and we'll be really happy to help.